alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
How are you? I am fine. How are you, madam?
I am fine too. You are India.
Yes, I am Indian. You know Hindi?
I see the hair. Timajala, I see the hair.
Oh,
The hair,
wow.
your hair is like India.
Yeah, nice, eh?
Nice, nice. Welcome to
No,
Barnamish. You know the
you are
program.
so beautiful.
Oh, thank you. And
Where you are from?
Korea.
Where you from?
And I am from Djibouti. You know Djibouti?
Djibouti, no, Sudan, eh?
No, it's not Sudan. Djibouti, it's near Somalia. You know Somalia?
I don't know.
Hey, ha. Djibouti, it's the people, the like me, the beautiful.
You like, so much man. My country is come.
Ah, your friend is here. Your friend is.
Wow. What's your name, madam?
my name is Nim'a.
So nice.
And you?
Nasrul Islam.
And Nasrul Islam. How old are you?
Yeah?
How old are you? How old are you? Your age?
My age 24.
24, the same age. Me and you, the same age. Is good that one. I know. Right, good. and I watch the Bollywood films. Shah Rukh Khan and Ashwarya, Amir Khan. I see. I watch every time.
My favorite hero, Shah Rukh Khan. My favorite hero.
Me too. My favorite actor, wallahi, every time. And you want
कभी गम ना जुदा होंगे हम. You know Hindi song? You understand
yes,
Hindi song?
Yes. I tell you something, Nasrul. I tell you something. Listen. I tell you something. And my program, you see the first time, The first time you see my program.
Okay.
My program is to sing. The people, they come, I call them, they sing. You want to sing in India songs?
Indian song?
Yes, hey, come on. Come on.
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम तेरी बाहों में मर जाए हम.
I know this song. This song, it is from the film Shah Rukh Khan. I know. It is good. Another song.
You like Shah Rukh Khan?
I like very much when I was young. From here. I like every time, wallahi.
Okay, mashallah.
You live in India?
Yes.
Wallahi, you good. Me, the people, they tell me I look like India people. It is true?
Sorry?
And me, when the people, they see me, and they think I am India.
Indian, yeah, correct.
Yes, it is true, ma?
You come my India one.
Yeah? What?
You come my India one time.
And when I come to India and you welcome me.
Yeah, of course.
Well, I like your food and biryani rice. I like very delicious.
Not there biryani. not there, biryani?
Eh?
Biryani is not there?
The biryani. I tell you something. I tell you something. Sorry. I laugh so much. Because your face it is laugh automatically. Wallahi. The biryani, it is the rice, the rice and the chicken biryani. That's the Indian food. Huh?
In your country, who's your favorite food?
My country, it is fahfah and bris.
Fahfah and bris.
Yes. Fahfah. And lahah and muqmat.
Okay. Beef, you know beef?
Beef, yes. The meat.
Yeah, cow.
Yes. And where are you staying in India? In New Delhi? Yeah. In New Delhi? You?
No.
Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Bangalore. It is not the.
But I am not Hindi. I am Indian, but I am here Bengali Indian.
Bengali. What does that means?
My home is Bangladesh border.
Bangladesh. I understand now.
I'm not Bangladeshi. I'm Indian, but border Bangladesh.
I understand. I understand.